What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. I've done this before. I've done it multiple times. I've shown you how to make money without making videos, without recording any videos. Now, if you look here on YouTube, you're going to see a bunch of people talk about, oh, you can do this and that, and they tell you a strategy that is very simple, but it takes a lot of time, takes a lot of work, and most people don't know how to do it. Today I want to show you a simple method anybody can do. You can start right now. It's very simple, very easy, and you can start making money. Now, let me show you something. Here on YouTube, the nice thing about this platform is there's so much content being created every single day that you can seriously make money from the newcomers to YouTube, from the people that are not yet making much money. Here's what I mean. Let me show you something. Say I type in how to run faster in football. Okay, how to run faster in football. Okay, so there it is. Now you're gonna see a bunch of stuff pop up on my screen. Okay, right here. This is called TubeBuddy. Okay, you can see it right here. And I'll put a link to this down in the description box below if you want to get it. It's a free tool. Highly recommend it. But the reason why I wanted to mention TubeBuddy is because, look here, how to run faster in football, okay? You got all these people that are trying to go after that exact keyword. If I click on filter, then click on the upload date, let's say I want to sort by upload date. Look at this, okay? If I come down here, Gridiron Elite Training has 1,000 subscribers. Did this video a month ago and has 9 views. How to run faster and how to increase vertical jump for football. Cool. What if I told you you could make money from Gridiron Elite Training? Okay, what if I told you you could do that? It's a serious technique and it seriously works. You're probably thinking, okay, how can I make money from this person? How can I make money from this guy? You know, is he just going to send me money through PayPal? Is it just going to show up in my bank account? Am I going to open up my front door and there's going to be a box of cash? How am I going to make money? Well, this is how you make money. First off, how to run faster and how to increase vertical jump for football. Horrible title. I'd pick something much different than that. But what if he doesn't know how to do that? There's a tool out there that can help him. It's actually TubeBuddy. Okay? You can see it right here. This is how you can make money from YouTube without making videos. Is you refer people to TubeBuddy. Now, I'm an affiliate for TubeBuddy. I send people to TubeBuddy. Just like I did you a minute ago when I said, if you want TubeBuddy, it's a free tool. Go check it out. First link down in the description box below. It is a free tool. You don't have to pay for it. Okay? This is the pricing. It starts at $9, but actually it has a free option right here. Okay? It's a limited option, but you can get it for free. You can get it for, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, $4.50 a month, or you can pay $9 if you have over that. Or what I like is the star package, which is $19 a month. Here's the cool part. As a TubeBuddy affiliate, all you gotta do is tell people about TubeBuddy, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this, and I'm gonna show you with Gridiron Elite Training. I'm gonna show you with that person's account, but you tell people about TubeBuddy. Then, if those people decide to buy the upgrade, because it starts out, like I said right here, starts out you can get the free option, which is, it's a great option. Okay, it's a lot better than nothing, but is it better than Pro, Star, or Legend? No. Do I think many people are going to get the Legend package? No, I think I've sold maybe 2 or 3 of those in my lifetime. Most people buy the Star package. Now, you earn up to 50%. Okay, so I think you start out at 30%, and then if you have over 150 installs of the free package right here, the free install, if you have over 150 of those, I think it bump you up to 40, and then once you get over 250 installs, they bump you up to 50% commission. That is recurring. Okay, all the commission is recurring. So every single month you either make 30, 40, or 50% recurring of whatever people are paying for. Okay, that's the best part about TubeBuddy. But the nice thing about it is you are selling something, you're promoting something that people can actually use. Let me explain what I mean. How to run faster. TubeBuddy inside the Star package, and I think they have it inside the Pro package as well. I don't know 100%. But if I open up my thing, you see Homemade Entrepreneur. I just have the Star package. I don't have the Legend package. Honestly, I don't think it's much better than the Star package. Yes, it has a lot more stuff, but it's a lot of stuff I do not use. There is something called Keyword Explorer. I'm going to click on that. Okay? And so, how to run faster. I'm going to type that in. Now, they have two different options, weighted and unweighted. Weighted would be for my specific channel. Unweighted would be in general. Now, if you look here, unweighted, it's poor. 13 out of 100. That's horrible. Now, what do you think this guy, how do you think he's doing? Well, probably not very well, right? How to run faster without getting tired. Let's click on that one. It's better. How to run faster without getting tired for kids. Let's do that one. All right, good. It's very good. Let's see, weighted. Still very good. All right, cool. So if I want to do something, I'd want to do how to run faster without getting tired for kids. That is the video I'd want to create, and that's how I'd want to title it. Because I guarantee you, if you do how to run faster without getting tired for kids, you would get more views than 9 in 1 month. Okay? Now, if I were to tell Gridiron Elite Training that exact thing, what are the chances you think they would go change their video or they'd opt in to TubeBuddy? The chances are very high. This is something that I know because I've done it. Now, I don't go out there and message YouTuber after YouTuber and say, hey, go get TubeBuddy, hey, go get TubeBuddy, hey, go get TubeBuddy. I'm not that broken record. I'm not going to go do that. If you don't want to be successful, no, I don't really care. Okay, yeah, I want everyone to be successful, everyone to make money, but if you don't want to put in the work, if you don't want to pay the $4.50 to get TubeBuddy or the free version, you don't want to go and do that. It's going to take you 5 minutes to set it up and create your account. Fine. You know, if you're too busy and you don't want to be successful, that's fine. I'll go tell somebody else exactly how to do it. That's what I want you to do, okay? Very simple. Let me show you. So I found a keyword, okay? I typed in how to run faster in football. Then I went to filter and I went by upload date, okay? So those are the first 2 steps. The next thing is I found a person that could use some help. Okay, Gridiron Elite Training. He could probably use a better thumbnail, which could be another thing you could offer, which would be a one-time fee. Hey, you should, if you want a better thumbnail, I'll charge you, $8 to do it. Just PayPal me here, and I'll create it, and I'll send it to you in the next 24 hours. Okay, cool. If you want more videos on how to create thumbnails, go watch some other ones, because I'll teach exactly how to do that. But all I do is, okay, how to run faster. All right, figured it out. And I wanted to go after how to run faster without getting tired for kids. That was the keyword I went after, okay? So I would take this exact keyword, copy that, okay? And I'd let him know. I'd come to his channel, and I'd let him know. You can come to About, and a lot of times they have an email address right here, so I can actually send him an email. Okay, cool. Now, the best part about this, okay, and the reason why I want to show you this is because TubeBuddy is going to pay you recurring 30% every single month. Okay, now I think all you have to have is like, you got to earn like $20 or $50, something like that. I think it's $20 or $50 that you have to have in there, and then they'll pay it out to you. So the nice thing about that is once you make a couple sales, you're going to start getting paid every single month. Okay, very simple. Even if it's 30%, okay? Let's do the math. So 30%, okay? Let's say you sell 10 of the Star packages. That's $19, okay? Times 10, $190. And then you also sell, let's say you sell 3 of the pretty much the starter, the Pro plan. That's 3 at $9 a piece. That's 27, okay? So we're gonna add that. And then let's say you also do 2 of the Pro plan, but you do it at the $4.50. So that would be $9 right there, okay? So every single month, you're going to be selling $226 worth of TubeBuddy memberships. But if you're getting paid 30%, okay, that means every single month, you're going to make $67.80 every single month recurring. Okay, at the end of the year, you would have been paid over $800 to pretty much send what is that, 15 people, pretty much go and you promote this TubeBuddy offer to 15 people, that actually converts and they stay a member for the entire year. That's incredible. Now, the reason I say that's incredible is because it is. Where else could you make money? Here on YouTube. It's a huge platform. There's millions and millions of creators, of video creators, of content creators, of influencers, of how-to, artists, or whatever you want to call them. There's millions of people here, millions of different accounts that you can go after. You can send them emails. You can direct them to a landing page. You can send them straight to TubeBuddy using your affiliate link, okay? You can do all this stuff, okay? That's the best part. Now, in order to become an affiliate for TubeBuddy, the first thing you have to do, you have to sign up for an account. So use that link down in the description box below. Like I said, you don't have to go and pay for the Pro plan or the Star or the Legend, okay? If you want to, I highly recommend, the first thing I recommend is start out with the free, okay? Try it out. There's going to be limitations. So as you hit those limitations, then go and upgrade to the Pro plan, at $9 a month or $4.50 if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. Then once you hit those limitations, it's like, okay, it's holding you back. You want to get the Star plan, I highly recommend the Star plan. $19 a month for you to be successful. And then on top of that, you can even take your plan, create videos on it, stick them on YouTube. Now, that's not what I'm showing you here because obviously you got to create videos to do that. But if you want to make money with TubeBuddy here on YouTube, you don't have to make videos. All you need to do is go and figure out, okay, who could use TubeBuddy? Who is creating titles that just don't make sense? They're competing with millions and millions of other videos. They're competing with the top dogs with million subscribers or more. How many views do you think they're going to get? Well, if you're like Gridiron Elite Training, who has over 1,000 subscribers, he created a video over a month ago, and he has 9 views. 9 views. That's not good, okay? So go now. Don't all you guys go reach out to this one guy, okay? Don't go hammer him with emails and say, hey, I think I can help you out. Yeah, somebody wants to do that, go ahead. But go find other people because I guarantee you, there's millions of different accounts out there. Go find somebody or multiple people that you can help out. Show them TubeBuddy. Show them videos on how TubeBuddy works. Show them why. Explain to them in an email. And now here's the coolest part. You create one email. Okay, you create one draft, put it in Word, put it in Google Docs, in a notepad, wherever you want to put it. Save it. Then all you have to do is change the name. Be like, hey, Gridiron Elite Training, or hey, Homemade Entrepreneur, hey, Sam's, tackle box, whatever. Okay, just all you gotta do is change the name. That's it, and say, hey, this is what I noticed from your account, and then down in the bottom you can put a little intro of, I noticed that you did a video the other day titled blah blah blah. I think it should be titled blah 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 because it's going to get you more views. You're going to have less competition. It's something that I did using TubeBuddy. If you want to check out TubeBuddy, I highly recommend it. It's free to start, and then you give them the link. Okay, this whole strategy is called affiliate marketing. It's one of the things I do, one of the things I love, one of the very first businesses I ever got into doing anything online. I started doing affiliate marketing back in 2006. I've never stopped since. Okay, so if you want to make money using YouTube, you can. You do not have to make videos. You don't need to record your face. You just need to show people how they can become more successful. And TubeBuddy, in my opinion, is number one. Is the best, in my opinion. Okay, again, this is just my opinion. Is the best software out there. Okay, there's other things like vidIQ that does really well. In my opinion, it's overpriced, but it does extremely well. Okay, so if you have questions on how to make money on YouTube without making videos, let me know. You can ask any question down in the comment section below. Help you out any way that I can. But like I said, if you want to become more successful on YouTube, TubeBuddy is the #1 tool, #1 software you need. So go out there, recommend it to other people. Like I said, it's free for you. You just need an account. You just need to install it. Okay, but once you install it, you can go and promote it to other people. That's where you can start making money. So Have any questions on the affiliate side, you can also ask those questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my free videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.